Welcome to Big Stack Small Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop your dogs from digging up your backyard. The first thing we're going to do is grab some extra soil. Next, we get our secret ingredient. You use their own turds against them. Now this probably isn't something that's going to work all the time. However, if you stick to it and keep at it, I've found success with it. For some reason, when you bury the dog's own turds, it doesn't want to dig them up. It might dig a little bit, sniff, and then be done with it. Sometimes they'll dig up, but it's a way I stop my little one from digging, and I've got two dogs that are about a year old now. I'm going to use it for them as well, because they are even, they're probably as bad as the other one was. You want to use their turds. You don't want to use cat turds. Why don't you want to use cat turds? No, I don't know what it is, but there is something about cat turds that dogs find satisfying and delicious. Which proves my theory. Dogs love cat turds. Remember, Big Stacks grows, Big Stacks builds, and Big Stacks makes. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to get more of my great content in your news feed, and I'll see you next time at Big Stack Small Workshop.